The latest update of the Cartograph Maps app brings support for Google WearOS. It is now possible to use Android, iOS, macOS and Windows devices together with your WearOS-based device. In this example I will show you how to use the iOS Cartograph Maps app with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. First we go to the iOS app. In the main menu, scroll down to Cartograph Link, and here we select Cartograph Link Bluetooth. We make sure that Enable Cartograph Link is enabled. Then we go to the watch, open the Cartograph Maps app, scroll down to Cartograph Link, and here we enable the Cartograph Link. Next we click on the device which has the same name as shown in the iOS app. Now we wait a few seconds, and we see a pairing code appears. We compare the code. If it matches, then we confirm it. Now the two devices are paired. So as an example, I will transfer a route. Let's delete the old route first. I will transfer a route from iOS to the watch. Let's calculate the route. Then we select Send to Watch, and the route appears on the watch. We click on this, the route is shown on the map. When you are finished with transferring data between the two devices, I recommend to disable the Cartograph Link, because it consumes additional energy. So we click on this button and now the link is turned off. We can do the same on the Android device, on the iOS device. Scroll down to Cartograph Link and disable the link.